The first time you use the app, you need to set it up. It opens to this screen and you press OK. Then you input the information about your island, the hospital, your name, your email, the role you have, and the zip code. You need to have your name in order for the maintenance people to get in touch with you should that be necessary. You only need to add your email once. So if you sign in as a different role or responsibility, you don't need to do that. In that case, you'd answer no. I'm going to answer yes, and you see what happens when it already has your information. Now answer no. I've successfully logged in. Next thing you're going to want to do probably is start by going to the Start screen, and that way you can submit a maintenance request. You submit a maintenance request by pressing a yellow button. In this screen, you need to provide all the information that it will help the maintenance people identify where the problem is and what the problem is. You select the priority, but that may not be what the maintenance crew are able to take care of. So the date and the time that you're submitting it. And you need to thoroughly describe the problem so that they know what it is that they need to fix. Just make enough details so they are able to go there and take care of it. Then you press Submit, the green Submit button, and it takes you back to the Start screen. If you want to see your request, tap on the List button above.